hour. How many of you have heard about a guy, Roger Bannister? Anyone? No one. Okay, let me put in the gallery. You have not heard about Roger Bannister? Oh my God. There used to be one advertisement, right? Arey PMPO nahi janta. I don't know if you have seen that. There's a fan advertisement that used to come, PMPO.
British Athletic.
Yeah. So Roger Bannister is I'm happy you don't know. I can then easily tell that story. But you should have known him. He's a famous guy. So I think Dr. Nidhi was talking about mental barrier, and many of you talked about the barriers that are there in our mind. Generally, it remains in our mind. It's in reality there's no barriers for a human potential, but we see that barrier, right? And Roger Bannister is the guy who was the first who broke that barrier, and not first, basically he was one who in the history who people relate to very easily. And if you see him, there's a saying called there's a phrase for him, barrister syndrome, Roger syndrome, you will hear, right? So basically, uh, anything that you will believe that it's not possible, the moment you bring that syndrome means okay, this guy has actually overgrown that mental barrier, right? So let me tell you a story of this guy, and then I'll cover the four. Basically, the diagram that I had sent, it's actually related with that guy only. So it's journey back almost in 1950s, in the world of athletics. He was. It was generally believed that human cannot run less than 4 minutes, right? So basically, if 1 mile has to be covered, right, it cannot be run less than 4 minutes. So the best that was done, there was a guy from Sweden called his weird name Gunder, Gundr, Gunder Haig. So he ran 1 mile in 4 minutes and almost 2 seconds, 1.4 seconds, right? And he did this in 1945, and this record stood there for several years. And doctors and all athletes, sports experts, they were unanimous that 4 minute barrier can never be broken by a human. Not possible at all. Cannot be done. In fact, it was believed that even if somebody, a human, tries to do that, he will have significant physical harm. So body cannot survive a run for less than 4 minutes for 1 mile, right? That was a uh, all theorems, all algorithms, everything was proven, right? That it's not possible anyhow to cross that barrier. So how many times you have a problem in your life and you think इसके आगे नहीं जा सकते, right? ठीक है, I know that this is done, but somebody want to become life coach like Vijay, right? Somebody want to become, let's say, life coach like a Tony Robbins, right? Somebody might want to become rich guy like someone else, right? कुछ तो करना है life में, right? You want to become CEO, you want to become entrepreneur, so many things, right? But वो mental barrier है, right? तो ऐसे एग्जैक्टली इसके रॉजर, नॉट रॉजर फेडरर, इट्स रॉजर बेनिस्टर. रॉजर बेनिस्टर exactly had this, so humans had this particular barrier. Roger Bannister was a doctor, and he was a neurologist. So, Dr. Nidhi, I think you will connect a lot with him. So, he basically he thought he was kind of outlier, and this guy thought, I don't think anything is impossible in this world. So he was aware of his of human potential, that we can do anything that we want. And he actually he always used to think that someday I'm going to break it, and he used to practice a lot. And he always thought that it's very illogical to think that you cannot run a mile in less than 4 minutes. If we have reached till 4 minutes, why can't we go below, maybe in in 3 minute 90 seconds, and all those things should be possible. And he kept on doing. And on 6th May 1954, he did that impossible thing. So in London, there was an event in London, and he was able to touch the finishing line in 3 minutes 59.4 seconds. Right. So mental barrier was where 4 minutes, and this guy came a couple of seconds below. Is it a good achievement? Right? Everyone was saying that it is impossible, and this guy made it possible, right? His body did what was said that nobody can do that, right? And there was he and this is not the end of the story. So there was his counterpart called John Landy, and he was also a runner, and he was a Rogers rival, and his personal best time was 4 minute and 1.5 seconds till then, right? And after coming to know that Roger Bannister can actually has actually overtaken that record, he also broke that record. Just think about it. So mental barrier, one guy just removed it, and he was able to rather break that record by far. John was able to run this in 3 minutes 57 seconds, 1954. And just after a few couple of years in 1957, 16 other runners were able to run less than 4 minutes. They were able to cross 1 mile in less than 4 minutes. Now, just retrospect. For years and years, the belief was that one can never cross 4 minutes. One can never go below 4 minutes if they want to run 1 mile. One guy comes, he breaks that mental barrier, and he's a doctor, but was clear he can do that because he was a good runner also. He did it, and the moment he did, everyone started thinking, "Arey, anyone can do it." So something which is impossible, no human has tried it. So what do you understand from this? Over to you guys.
Barrier is in our mind only.
Barrier is in our mind. One of you out of the people who are sitting here can break that barrier, and people will start following you. And any great success that has happened this way only. One guy has decided that I'll be able to do that. One girl decided that I will do that, and that's where they broke that mental barrier. Anyone else want to share any thought? What do they understand?
I think sky is the limit, and never ever limit yourself in life with your ideas, your goals. If you will dream big, only then you will be able to think big. Only then you will be able to achieve something big in your life.
Exactly.
So
Very
And also not to get bogged down when someone says it's not possible.
exactly.
It's, I mean, obviously they are speaking from their experience, but then at the same time, you should know that their possible is not like the limit.
Right, right. And think about it. Generally, the way it happens, something which has never been done. So that is anyway seems impossible. But sometimes there are so many things which is already done by so many others. Still, we feel like I can't do that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just compare it.
Yes, sir.
And here is a guy. He did something which was never done, and we sometimes get opportunities. For example, let's say I want to become a life coach. I want to become a great public speaker. Already, so many people are there. So what is great in that? We all can become, right? If something, let's say if there would have been no John Maxwell, no Tony Robbins, right? No, all the great speakers who were there, then we could have thought, oh, it's a new thing. Vineet is trying to become public speaker for the first time. That's not the case. So many people are already there. I remember when I was not able to drive many years back, I used to think so. The only feeling I used to get, what, this an uneducated guy can also drive. Why can't I drive? And still, I know many of educated folks like you still can't drive, right? So just think about that. So it's something which everyone is doing. Why can't you do? Right? So all these mental barriers is inside our head. We have to come out of it, right? The mental barrier had been, so it has, so basically Roger Bannister was able to smash that mental barrier. So you should always remember, Vijay always takes his name. Rajesh Bhai always takes his name, Roger Bannister, and I was amazed by his story. And he's a great example in the history, right? That you don't have any physiological barrier. It's just in your mind. Sometimes you feel you need 8 hours of sleep. You don't need it, yeah. You want to do so many things, and you want to sleep for 8 hours, sleep for 2 hours, sleep for 3 hours. That is more than enough, right? It's all in your mind, right? So if you see, there was no technology, nothing was done, nothing special was done, no drugs was given to him that is suddenly like in Bollywood they become so fit and all with drugs and everything, right? Nothing of that sort has happened, right? It was just in his mind. The only thing was this guy refused to accept that barrier, right? He refused that there is any human barrier, right? And I think we all can do that. We all, the moment we are able to work on that mental barrier, the moment we are able to believe that we can do it, that's where all these sayings are there, right? If you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you cannot, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
abs-
Yes,
And
sir.
one more thing, in your story, yesterday BJ sir was also saying don't see about the statistics. If you want to achieve it, you just go with it. Don't see the statistics, how it will be and all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what. And basically, the moment you break that barrier, no, the best part, so many people will follow you to break that barrier, their own barriers, right? Roger Bannister broke that 4 minute barrier. 16 people came just after him. That they also broke his barrier. So the question is, folks, what is your 4 minute mental barrier? Yeah. So now coming to the diagram quickly, I'll show, and now you will understand that. Anyone else want to say anything on this? Before I start sharing my screen, yes. Who wants to share about their mental barrier? Come on. No one? Come on, yes.
Maybe sleepless.
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 That's why people are not speaking. I said sleep for 1, 2, 3 hours.
Hard work is always
Yeah,
achieving in your goals.
exactly. Very nice. So, my screen is visible?
Not yet, I think.
Not yet?
Not yet, yeah, not yet.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a moment.
Yeah, now it's
Yeah, now we can see.
You can see that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just created it today in Canva. I don't know. I can show you. So this is what I drew. It's visible, right? Still?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. And then I'm just presenting it. Okay. So see, this is where we are, most of us, right? Living a default life. If you see,
Can you make it a full screen?
it's full screen on,
Yeah, it's full screen.
Yeah,
Is it not?
now it does.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a kind of. So this is my art. I should write a sign here. My. That's why I put my unlimited potential inside. So
It's already copyrighted.
yeah, yeah. So basically, living a default. So basically, whosoever are part of our group, it's for them, not copyrighted for them, for others. Yeah. So living a default life. So most of us are living in this world of ordinary people around us, right? That's what Vijay says. We have to break this barrier and reach to level 2. And I think since you are part of PIM and book club, I hope most of you are already there. You have already decided to design your life, the world you choose. Till this time, it was a default life. Okay, whatever is happening, I studied and then I got a job. I'm a software engineer. I'm a banker. I'm a senior technical lead and whatnot, right? And I'm living a life, default life. But now it's a point to design our life, right? The second level is, and once you are here for some time, you will have to spend some time. Not that suddenly you can jump to the level 3. That's where you come to level 3, and this is where you start unleashing your unlimited potential. So you start recognizing that you can do anything that you want. Swami Vivekananda had said this 100 years back, that all Shiva is, you are Shiva, he says. So you are God. You, everything is inside you, right? All the universe is residing inside you, and each one of us has that universe. But the challenge is, all those negative words and negative things that we heard about ourselves, that is limiting us. That self belief is limiting us, right? So if we can, the moment we started realizing that we can unleash our unlimited potential, this is where we will start we will start exploring the world that is inside us. We'll be able to optimize ourselves well. We'll be able to, that's where all the PM workshop helps. How to make better decisions, right? How to make, how to have good focus, how to avoid distractions, all the things that we are doing in PIM workshop. Is this is where you will, the moment you'll have to, again, I spent 2 years, that's where probably I'm here at level 3, trying to barge in level 4. So but you'll have to spend some time here, all right? So you have to try to come into the inner circle of Vijay. So all the things that we do beyond what we do in PIM and book club, right? So there are so many things that we do there also. So unleashing your unlimited potential inside. And then after this, the moment, if you want to change the world, if you want to make an impact on the world, that this is the level 4, living on your peak potential. But can anyone reach from default life to peak potential life? So sometimes when you discuss with your friend and say, hey, I'm part of book club and PIM, it's going so well, and they say, oh, I'm not interested, right? What does that mean? So that means that they are still living a default life. They're happy with their ordinary life. They have not even decided. How can you expect them to talk about peak potential and unlimited potential, right? So somewhere this is the problem, is they're still at this stage, world of ordinary people around us, right? So this is what I think this diagram meant. I'll go, since we are already 15 minutes above. So this is what I wanted to cover. I hope that made some sense. Any thoughts? Any questions? Any concerns before we wrap up? Did it समझ में आया कि नहीं? Does that make any sense or not?
Yes.
Yes, it's
Yes.
absolutely
Yes, sir.
nice, sir.
That's nice. Okay, yeah, that's more.
200% agree.
Okay. So
It
today
can be projected as a good tattoo also. Nice picture.
I'll have that tattoo on my neck. So
I would like to summarize it in one sentence.
yeah, maybe
If you can think it, then you can achieve it.
exactly. Amazing.
If it's into your mind, then you can achieve it. So first of all, you have to, make it sure that it goes into your mind
Right.
beyond your barriers and your boundaries you have created.
Exactly.
So if you understand that there are some limiting factors around you, then only you will be able to cross them. Like you are saying ki there are so many people or our friends who doesn't understand ki okay, there are some limiting barriers in their life, so they are happy in their comfort zone, they don't want to come out it. But if you want to achieve something, if you want to create something big, then first of all we need to understand our mental barriers. Then we need to visualize those things, like from last session also, that was again, if you can think it, then you can achieve it.
Right.
So the diagram you just explained, it is on to the same note.
Definitely. Very nice. Very nice. That's so important. If you can think of it, you can achieve it. Amazing. And I think this is one chapter again I got for my book. I'll add this in my book also. So basically all the things that we are learning, I'm just telling you how you can leverage the same thing, right? So this whole thing has been drawn by what I heard Vijay in last 3-4 weeks, and I'll keep doing that. That becomes a speech for me. That becomes a chapter in the book for me, right? So keep attending, keep seeing the recording, and let's prepare for the next panel discussion, right? And that's where you can share your thoughts as well. Cool. I think we are done. Anything